This is an Air Bar, and it can turn any non-touchscreen laptop into a touchscreen, as simple as just adding a couple magnets on either side of the bezel, which hold the Air Bar right up, as you can just basically put it right into place, plug it in, and with no drivers, the touchscreen just starts working, which is really cool. And if we pull up like a web page, it's fairly accurate. If you're curious how the Air Bar actually works, well, it's actually pretty cool. See, there's actually a sensor bar that goes across the top of the Air Bar, and that projects what I believe is some kind of laser display that maps over the actual screen. This allows it to actually detect how far you are away from the actual bar and map that onto the screen's display, allowing it for that type of input. And although the accuracy is not perfect, it is pretty good. Even things like zoom, pinch to zoom, and multi-touch input all work fairly well, which I think is pretty insane for an aftermarket device that doesn't require any drivers just to work this well. The only time I can kind of trick the panel to not work is if I get two fingers right over each other. The top one isn't exactly seen every time, but if they're just slightly off, it's perfect. So I think that's just because this is actually projecting straight up, and if we have something above it, there's kind of interference at that point. But besides that, it works fairly well. For an add-on accessory that doesn't require any drivers, just a USB port, that is really impressive to see how well this product actually works.